Hello everyone. I welcome you all to Welcome to Basic School Moodle online classes. Today I will start to discuss about exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. So here what they have given in first main question, what they are asking, find each of the following product. We have to find out products of the given questions. In first main there are 10 questions, so we have to find out products. First main question A, what they have given here, 3 into minus 1. Here they have given 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 means 3 into 1 3, minus plus into minus minus. 3 into 1 3, plus into minus minus, therefore answer is minus 3. Second question B, minus 1 into 225. Minus 1 into 225. So here we all know that what is multiplicative identity? 1. When you multiply any number or any integer with 1, what you will get? That number only. So here 1 is the multiplicative identity. Therefore minus 1 into 225 means what we will get? 225 only, and minus into plus means minus. Minus into plus minus. Therefore minus 225 is the answer. So now question C, minus 21 into minus 30. Here minus 21 into, what they are asking here, minus 21 into minus 30 is equals to, first we will calculate what is the answer of 21 into 30 means. Here I will multiply 30 into 21. 21 into 0, 21 into 0, 0, 21 into 3, 63. Therefore here I will write 630. 630, and minus into minus plus, therefore plus 630 only. Therefore answer is 630. Next in question 4, what they are asking again, minus 316, minus 316 into minus 1, into minus 1. 316 minus 316 into minus 1 means 316 into 1, 316, and minus into minus plus, therefore plus 316 is the answer. Now question E. Here question E, what they are asking here, 15 minus 15 into 0, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18, into minus 18. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18 means we all know that when you multiply any number with value 0, what you will get? 0 as the answer. Therefore minus 15 into 0 into minus 18 means 0. Next F, question F, minus 12 into 11, minus 11, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10, into 10, minus 12 minus 11 into 10 means what we can do here, 12 into 11, first I will do 12 into 11. After that I can multiply the Product of 12 into 11 is equals to into 10. So first I will multiply 12, this 12 into 11. Therefore 11 into 2 means 22. 11 into 1 means 11. 11 plus 2 means 132. What we got here, for minus 12 into minus 11, we got the answer as product of 12 into 11, 132. And here minus into minus, plus. So we got answer as plus 132. Minus into minus, plus 132. Into 10. I will multiply 10 with this 132. What you will get? 10 into 2, 20. 10 into 3, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 10 into 1, 10 plus 3, 30. 1320 is the answer. Because here plus 132 into plus 10 means plus into plus plus. Therefore 132 into 10, 1320. You can write here 1320 is the answer of these values. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10 means 1320 is the answer. How to calculate? First I will multiply minus 12 into minus 11. What I got here? Plus 132. 12 into 11, 132, and minus into minus, plus. Therefore plus 132. I will multiply this with 10. 10 is also plus, therefore plus 132 into plus 10 means what you will get? 1320, and plus into plus means plus only, therefore answer is 1320. So this is the sixth problem. Next, problem G. Here what they have given in problem G, 9 into minus 9 into minus 3, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. So here what they have given, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6 means, first I will multiply 9 into 3. 9 into 3 means 9 3s are 27. 27, and here 9 into 3 means plus into minus. Plus into minus, what is the answer? Minus. Therefore we got minus 27. Minus 27, I will multiply this minus 27 with minus 6. 27 into 6 means, here I will multiply 27 into 6. 6 7 6 into 7 means 42. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 162. 27 into 6 means 162, and here minus 27 and minus 6. Minus 27, minus 6. Minus into minus, what you will get? Plus. Therefore, answer is plus 162. What I did here, first I will multiply 9 into minus 3 means minus 27, plus into minus minus, therefore minus 27 into minus 6 means 27 into 6, 162, and minus into minus, plus is the answer. Therefore what you will get? Plus 162. This is the answer of these given values. Now question H. Minus 18 into 5, minus 18 into minus 5, minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Here 18 into 5 means what you will get? 18 into 5 means 90. And minus into minus plus, therefore what you will get plus 90 as the answer. And now I should multiply this plus 90 with this minus 4 into minus 4. So here I will multiply 90 into 4 means 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 9, 36. Therefore what you will get 360, 360, and here 90 is plus and 4 is minus. Plus 90 minus 4 means what you will get here, plus into minus always it is minus, therefore plus 90 into minus 4 means minus 360 is the answer. See here again, first I will multiply 18 into 5, 18 into 5 means 90, 90 minus into minus plus, therefore it is plus 90, now into minus 4. So now 90 into 4 means 360, and here it is plus 90 and minus 4 means plus into minus means minus 360 is the answer for problem next. Now problem I. Minus 1 into minus 2. What does it mean here? Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 3 into 4 into minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. So here 1 into 2, 1 into 2 means 2 and minus into minus plus, therefore it is plus 2. And now I will multiply this 2 with next number 3 means 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 means 2 into 3 means 6, and plus into minus, plus into minus, and next what you got here, minus 6. Now minus 6 into 4, minus 6 into 4 means 6 4s are 24, and minus into plus minus, therefore minus 24 is the final answer. So here I will write minus 24 is the answer. Next, problem J. Here you can observe that when negative numbers or minus is in odd number, means here minus 1, here minus 2, minus 3, means there are 3 negative numbers, 1, 2, 3. So the answer should be minus only. When negatives are odd number or when negative integers are in odd numbers, answer should be negative integer only. When, again carefully listen what I am telling, when there are odd number of means 1, 3, 5 or 7, when there are odd numbers of negative integers, then answer should be negative integer only. See here, I can write it directly. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, and here negative integers are how many? 1, 2, 3, because it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, means 1, 2, 3. Therefore, there are 3, means all number of negative integers, therefore answer should be minus, therefore answer is minus 24. Like this only, here also there are three negative integers 1 2 3, therefore answer should be minus or negative integer only. Again see here, there are two negative integers only. Two negative integer means even number of negative integers. When there are even number of negative integers, answer will be positive integer. When there are even number of negative integers, answer will be positive integer. You can directly write it. Here also, see here again, 1 2, there are again two negative integers, therefore answer is positive integer, because 2 is even number. And like this only, here 0 is there. When you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0 as the answer, you will not get any positive or negative value. Like this only, here in this problem also, minus into minus means here there are two negative integers, answer is positive integer. Like this only, in this problem also only two negative integers, therefore answer is positive integer. Here in question B, only one negative integer which is odd number, therefore answer is in negative integer. Like this only in first problem also, problem A also, only one negative integer, therefore answer is negative integer. So you should remember that when you multiply more than two or three numbers and there are lot of positive and negative integers, when you multiply those numbers, when there are even numbers of negative integers, when there are even numbers of negative integers means when there are 2 4 or 6 any even number of integers, then product of those answers should be positive integer. When there are even number of negative integers, product of those values should be positive integer. Like that only, when there are 3 1 3 5 7 or any number of odd numbers of negative integers, 1 3, see here in this example, 1 odd number, here 2, sorry, here it is 3. When there are odd number of negative integers means 1 3 or 5, the answer should be negative integer only. Okay, so this is problem I. Next one, J, last. What they are given here, minus 3 into minus 6, minus 3 into minus 6, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 3 into minus 6, minus 2 into minus 1. Now by observing these values you can tell the answer whether it is positive integer or negative integer. Still you haven't got the any answer or product of these values, but you can tell whether it is positive integer, answer is positive integer or negative integer without calculation. How? See here, how many numbers of negative integers are there? 1 2 3 4. There are 4 negative integers, means 4 is even number. When there are even number of negative integers, answer should be positive integer. Therefore, what you will get? Positive integer as the answer. See here, answer is positive integer. I told this. Now you can check. Minus 3 into minus 6 means 3 into 6, 18. Minus into minus, plus. Therefore, what you get? What you got here? Plus 18. Now you will multiply this plus 18 with minus 2. 18 into 2 means 18 into 2, 36 is the answer, and plus into minus, minus, what you got here? Minus 36. And now you will multiply this minus 36 with remaining minus 1. So 36 into 1 means what you will get? 36, and minus into minus means plus. Therefore, what I told before only, answer should be positive integer. What you got here, answer is positive integer only, which is plus 36. So what you got here, 36 as the answer. Plus 36 is the answer. Or you can write it directly, 3 into 6 18, 18 into 2 36, 36 into 1 36. 36 is the answer. And when you count number of negative integers, how many are there? 1 2 3 4. Therefore there are even number of negative integers, therefore answer is positive integer only. Therefore 36 is the answer. So this is how to solve the first type of problem in exercise 1.3. You may multiply each and every values, and you can consider each and every integer value, means minus plus like that, or you can write directly product of those values, and in final step you can count the number of negative integers. If there are even number of negative integers, answer is positive, or if there are odd number of negative integers, then answer is negative. You can write it directly. So in next, I hope you all are clear with this concept. In next class, I will continue with second problem of exercise 1.3. Thank you all.